In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off dark mode on Spotify. If you prefer a brighter look, changing to light mode is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Accessibility. After that, scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Per App Settings. And then tap where it says Add App. What you want to do next is tap on the search bar at the top and search for Spotify. Tap and select the Spotify app from the search results. Once you have added that, tap on it. And then scroll down a bit, and you'll see an option called Smart Invert. Tap on it. And turn on Smart Invert. This will invert the colors only on the Spotify app. Now if I go back to the Spotify app, you'll see that the colors are inverted and Spotify is in light mode. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.